Viewers, namaste. The times when whole world is engulfed into cricket, there's a lot which is happening in golf. Perhaps you and me, we are not aware. And hence, we as news dots, we have been attempt to meet Ikram Bhai and Mr. Indranil to know what exactly Pune Club is doing for this game and how youngsters are also participating in more and more numbers day by day. Ikram Bhai, over to you. You have two driving range.
Yes,
So, how are you engaging youth of current times more and more?
I'll do. See, one of the
Sure.
both the ranges they work throughout the day,
Mm-hmm.
and in the night also we have got the night range.
Okay.
So
Night
you
range also.
Yes, yes. So the hole number three, you can practice till about 9 o'clock in the evening. So
And you're
the-
getting more and more youngsters, school
lots
going
of young-
kids who are
oh my God,
participating.
lots of youngsters we are getting, and that's a tremendous achievement the whole club has done. And we are encouraging the caddy kids also.
Mm-hmm.
Now we will be taking a clinic because I've
So,
spoken
so
to.
for my viewers, please help us to understand when you say caddies. I mean,
Yes.
what exactly this
Caddies,
term means?
The we have got these people who pick up bags.
Who support?
Up.
Yeah.
Yes.
Who support the golfer?
Who are the backbone of the golf course. They. So what we did is we have spoken to the president Indranji and the president that let's call these kids inside. We'll teach them golf also. So we have started doing that,
Okay.
and hopefully we'll have more caddy players also. Because, like I told you, Praveen Patare is on the international circuit. He goes and teaches in Europe also. He was a caddy.
Once he was a caddy.
Once he was a caddy, he was a ball boy of mine. He was a small kid.
So good progression, I would say.
Yeah, he's in Czechoslovakia now. And he's playing there and he's teaching also there.
So technically, when it comes to players and caddies, you do not differentiate. For,
No, no,
for
no,
you,
no, no.
everyone on the ground is
No.
a prospective golfer. Is a player.
Player. First is the player.
Over to Indranil,
So,
Vice
first of
President
all-
of the Pune Club Golf Association.
So to first of all add to what Ikram bhai said, what is the importance of the driving range? The driving range is where people can come and learn golf. They cannot directly go on the golf course and start hitting the ball. So they have to come to a driving range, learn out there. By increasing the facilities of driving range, gym and practice area, you will get more and more new golfers, more young golfers to come and play. Where will they practice, right?
Indranil, when you say new golfers, in terms of numbers, can you help us to know in 25 what kind of number you have?
Today we've increased by about 30%. Today we have 1200 golfers, out of which about 400 are people who are below the age of 25
At this club?
at this club.
That's a big number.
That is a very big number, and that allows us, that is only possible because of the facilities that you create. So many people cannot just be playing golf, they also have to practice. When you create more practice facilities, you create more better golfers.
Noted. Meanwhile, I also want to ask you, the people who are besides the camera at this moment, or people who would be watching this interview, why should people, I mean, especially youngsters, school-going kids or collegiates, why should they choose golf? Why not cricket, football? I mean, how you differentiate golf with other games?
See, golf is also, what I'm trying to tell you is golf is like similar to the other sports. It is not less nor more. Every sport is going to teach you a thing. Golf will teach you to be more calm. It gives you more mental strength because it's a mental game. Okay, it is a game which you can play till you're 70. No other sport you'll be able to play till you're 70. Plus, the other thing is that golf is right now a growing sport which will allow you to reach the top much easier than the other sport which are already saturated.
Over to Ikram bhai.
I'll answer.
Yeah, please,
this.
please.
See, I'm an hockey player. So to play hockey, I need 11 players. I need a ground. So here what happens, each one is an individual. Like in cricket, you
So
need a net.
differentiating on quantity also.
Yes. So what happens is you can focus. If I'm good, I'll reach the top. If I'm not good, I won't reach the top. So this, what happens is the player becomes more independent. He's got better chance in an individual game.
वो तो मुझे शेर याद आ गया कि अब हवाएं करेंगी रोशनी का फैसला जिस दिए में जहाँ होगी वो जल जाएगा तो जिसमें काबिलियत है he can play.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, Ikram bhai, last question to you. Do you think this is still the game of richer rich people?
No. Where is it? We've got so many players on the international circuit, like Rashid Khan. He's a caddy. He was a caddy. So it's not that. It's not rich or poor anything.
It's misconception.
You have to perform. So only achieve the best players. What I have seen is Arjuna Ordunez, Ali Sher, Firoz. All of them were caddies.
It's not just about that. The people have a misconception that this is an expensive sport. But as I mentioned in the press conference also, it takes you half the money to play golf than it would to
You
play
can help
cricket.
our viewers with numbers.
So if you were to say a person who's playing cricket, a cricket coaching will start from 2 to 3,000 rupees a month. For 12 months, he's paying about 30,000 rupees. Now this is going to be possible to play golf in 15 to 20,000 rupees.
Actually cheaper.
It's cheaper.
I would
This
say
is a myth.
affordable.
This is a myth that golf is an expensive sport. People should come and try it, and they will realize the whole worth of it.
Thank you so much. So with that statement, thank you for your valuable contribution to this show. Thank you. Thank you once again.